Larbee Foods, established in 2000 years. We are a professional leisure foods manufacturer specializing in jelly, marshmallow, candy, and seafood spicy snacks. After more than 25 years, fast and continuous efforts, we have become one of the top confectionery manufacturers in China. Almost every Chinese people know our brand. We have bring so many sweet memories to kids. Till now, there are over 300 production lines and more than 2,000 employees in our company. There are 3 manufacturing and distributing centers in the north, south, and west area of China. We have invited by the government to draw up the standards of jelly and snack industry. With strict quality controlling system and high sanitary standards, we have acquired the certificate MIS of ISO 9001, HACCP, BERC, HALO, SMETA for P and register with FDA. We also have professional research and development team to offer customized service if client need it. That is our biggest advantage in the area of expertise. Looking forward to establish long-term business relationship with friends all over the world. Welcome.